Hi guys! How is it going? This is Carol again and welcome back to my channel, guys! Okay, for today's video guys ay meron tayong itatry. Ito yung common questions na nare-receive ko din sa native camp videos ko. Kung okay lang ba magklase sa native camp ng wifi lang yung gamit. So, yan, let's go. So, meron akong klase ngayon at subukan natin kung okay lang yung magiging flow ng ating classes today. Let's go! Okay, tapos meron pa tayo isang twist kasi hindi ako sa kwarto magkaklase ngayon kasi naglilinis kami. Ayan, so, madilim pa. So, ayan, nagliligpit kami sa kwarto. So, sa maliit na bodega ako magkaklase ngayon. Hulas na girl. Ayan, so, puntahan natin yan. Let's go. Ayan. Sobrang dumi pa. Dito tayo magle-lesson ngayon. Ayan. So, dito tayo magkaklase ngayon, guys. Dito ko na sinet up yung mga gamit ko. Ayan. Ukay to kasi tinakpan namin. Tapos, ayan, sobrang gulo. Tapos, ang gagamitin ko lang ay ring light. Sika, buksan ko lang siya, ha. So, ito. Ayun sa kusina namin. Sa kabilang part. So, madumi siya. Taran! Ayan. Ayan lang gagamitin natin today. Okay, wait lang. Okay, so mag-front cam tayo. Siguro naririnig yun na yung alarm nung sa native camp. Tapos ayusin ko lang yung camera. Yan, dito tayo magkaklase ngayon. Wifi lang ang gamit natin dahil hindi pa dumarating yung adapter, Ethernet adapter ng aking MacBook. Ayan, so ito siya. Ayan, so ito yung tarpaulin natin sa labas. Tapos sa lapag lang ako nagkaklase ngayon, guys. Yun naman kagandahan dito pag home base ka, kahit saan ka magtrabaho. At siguro nadidinig nyo rin yung maingay na electric fan ko. Kasi mainit dito, walang aircon dito. Dun sa may kwarto na pinagle-lessonan ko, dun talaga may aircon. Ayan. Ang liit ng space. Hello! It's you again! It's you again, Curry! Free conversation this time? I just checked the textbook. You're gonna have free conversation this time? You want to have free conversation? Yeah. Okay. Is there anything you want to share today? Curry? Do you want to build a snowman? Okay, I have a question. How long have you been studying English here? Here. How long have you been studying? Oh, just for 1 month. Can you say, I have been? Can you say, I have been? No, I have been studying here. One more time. Say, I have been studying here for 1 month. I have been studying here for 1 month. Yeah, say 1 month. Very good. Okay. Oh, so for 1 month only. I see. Why do you want to learn English? Because that's mommy's hair dryer, right? It's noisy. Do you use that also? Do you use hair dryer? Yeah. Oh, cool. I see. Do you have a lot of toys? Wow, okay, I have a lot of stuffed toys too. I have a lot of stuffed toys. This is one. Yeah, and then you already saw this earlier. And then this one, a cute pig. And I have a lot over there. I have a lot over there. So I just brought 3 here. And I have a big cat over here. I'll show you. Wait. see this? Do you see? Meow, meow. They also watch Demon Slayer. You watch that? Do you watch that, Curry? Yeah? It says, Tuyoku nararu yoshita goku wo turete susum. It's high. How many lessons do you take every day? 4 lessons? Really? Okay, you say, I usually take 4 lessons. Okay guys, so I just finished yung class namin nitong student ko. So he's a kid and okay naman yung naging flow, no? Smooth naman kahit naka-wifi lang tayo. Ang gamit nating wifi ay PLDT fiber connection, no? Tapos yung tig 1,699 siya. So, ngayon preparing tayo sa next class natin. So, meron pa tayong 3 classes ngayon. You draw Quinn. You draw Quinn, okay? Draw Quinn. Yes, very good. So yun guys, natapos na yung klase natin ngayon. Tapos meron lang tayong isang class later. And I would say na okay naman yung klase kahit naka-wifi lang tayo, kahit hindi siya direct. Depende rin siguro sa dami nang nakakonect sa ating wifi. At depende rin sa connection natin or dun sa plan ng internet natin. So yun, sa akin kasi medyo mas mataas na siya kumpara dun sa ginagamit ko dati. Kasi before, yung tig 1,299 lang yung gamit namin. So nag-upgrade kami kasi marami rin nakakonect and okay naman kahit siya wireless kasi wala pa yung pinaka-adapter ko. So yun yung iniintay ko. Pero pansamantala ay wireless muna tayo ng connection. So yun. So far, okay naman yung naging flow. Wala pa naman ako na-receive na complaint. And nagdaan na rin yung ilang araw. And kahapon is Sunday, nag-update yung ating system about sa ating ratings. And wala naman ako naging complaint about sa internet connection na mabagal na ganyan. Kasi usually, siguro yung student ay nagko-complain na mabagal yung naging connection. Kaya ganun. So, sa akin naman, okay naman yung naging flow. At, okay lang din na magklase dito sa Lapag. Ayan, nasa sahig lang tayo nagkaklase ngayon. As long as kulub siguro at hindi ganun kaingay. So, sa phone, nadidinig niyo yung noise from the outside. Pero dito naman sa class natin, wala naman kasi gamit natin ay Plantronic 628. So, gagawin ko to ng review, guys. Kasi it's been with me for 2 years at mahigit na rin kasi before pa ako nag-apply as ESL teacher, nasa akin na to. Sabay siya nung aking computer desktop set. At wala na nga yung foam, no? So, hindi ko pa siya na-orderan ulit. Pero so far, so good pa rin siya. Gumagana pa rin siya. So, gawa natin to ng isa pang video or panibagong video. So, dun sa mga nagtatanong kung okay lang na gumamit ng prepaid wifi, depende sa connection siya ha guys ha. Pero pag siguro yung packet wifi, I'm not sure. Hindi ko pa siya na-try. Pero ito nakakonect lang tayo sa wifi. Hindi siya yung direct sa cable. Pero okay naman yung naging klase natin. So, later ay magkaklase pa rin tayo. Pero siguro dito ko na muna tatapusin tong experimental video natin na to. So, this is just a very, very short video. Hindi ko rin sure kung magiging short siya para sa inyo. Pero yun lang yung try natin. At, ayun guys, what I am using right now, before kasi is desktop siya. So, ngayon ay gamit na natin ay yung MacBook 2017 kasi wala tayong pambili ng latest model. Meron akong vlog about it kung paano ko to nakuha. And, headset na gamit natin ay Plantronic 628. Ayan, USB type. At, PLDT fiber connection natin na yung TIG 1,700 or TIG 1,699. And ring light at kasalukuyan tayo nasa likod ng 2 Durabox sa sahig. Okay naman yung naging klase natin. So yun guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do videos about ESL teaching, business vlogs, and personal vlogs too. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!